everyone. In last video we did the question minimum cost for climbing stairs, and we got an time limit exceeded error, not error, but TLE. So the reason for this TLE was that I used recursion. The complexity of recursion is high, which is equals to 2k power n as the worst complexity. Therefore, in this video, I will be giving the memoization approach for this. And what does memoization means? So basically, in recursion, we calculate a function again and again and again. So in memoization, what we do is suppose there's an function which calls 2, but we somewhere along the line we have already solved f of 2. So why we need to solve it again and again? We can just save the value of f of 2, so we don't be needing to calculate it again. That is the main purpose of memoization, to memorize the values of the function so that we don't have to do the extra work again and again. So the memoization, in this video I'm gonna do it using a vector. I'll just initialize a vector here, vector which contains integer, and I'll just name it dp. Let's initialize its size. I'm gonna keep it n plus 1. The reason we keep it n plus 1, because in dp we usually operate 1th index on basis. Therefore it is important that we go from 1 to n plus 1. This is the reason why we keep it n plus 1, and initially I'm gonna keep all values as -1. Now our dp logic will go here. I'm gonna suppose if dp of I is not is equals to -1. What does this mean? It means that we have actually saved the value. Suppose what if dp of I is equals to -1, means it's in an initial state, its value have not been saved yet. Now here it's not is equals to -1, which means that we have already seen that value and it has been saved in our vector. So we just gonna return that value, that is written dp of I. Now I need to save a dp of I here. And what is dp of I? dp of I is basically this. So this is it for memoization. Let's try to run it. Okay, we are getting a error here, dp undeclared. Okay, yeah, we also need to pass this dp into our vector as well, onto our solve function as well, because how is it going to know what dp actually means? So I'll just copy it and I'll name it dp. Yeah, I think this will work. Let's try to run it. Too few arguments. Okay, we need to make a dp here also, here also. Now let's try to run it. Yeah, it works now. Now either it's gonna accept all the test cases, or it's gonna say memory limit exceeded. Let's see what happens. Okay, it got accepted, but we are saying that we are in a lower half, so there is a tabulation method. We will see about that. So yeah, this video was about memoization, and hope you liked it. Thank you.